Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, I just come back from Bishan. I just bought the durian that I'm looking for. That's called Golden Phionex. Golden Phionex I buy 2 for 25. 2 for 25, and it's a very good value. And if you want to know, let's check it out. It happened to I been released early today. Oh, my shift a bit early, so I managed to visit and hunting my durians as normal. Now this store will be the Bishan, and I just go through. You can see the video later on. You will see a lot of the durians, different type of durians to choose from, and it's a good place to hunt the durians there. And the price is average, and it's good price, and the qualities. Hi guys, now we are at the block 513 Bishan Street 13, and the durian store is just beside the CPF. Beside the CPF, the durian shop just beside this Baker Talent. Baker Talent. Let's see, we have a look what they're going to offer today. Alright, this one is the king of the king, they call it. Stated here, more seed. Now offer is buy 2 get 1 free, buy 5 get 3 free. If you come here, it's all everyday clear one.
Today I saw the Straits Times reported.
Yeah, they reported, very famous. Every day later come, also clear.
This store opposite the Bishan interchange.
Yeah, beside the Bishan CPF building only. So do come here. Got a lot to offer. 1 kilo 38. If you like to have a bitter sweet, you come here and check it out. They come, the stocks. You see this one, the 5-star one? 1 kilo 38, 1 kilo 38. Black corn from Penang. 03, 03. 1 kilo is $28. You can see the flesh. And the seed is very small. Okay. This is a boss, this is a boss, okay? This is a durian store boss. This is what durian? Oh, this one, 在哪里来？槟城啊，槟城啊。Red prawn, here, red prawn, selling one for $10. This one from Malaysia, but I don't know which state. I don't know whether it's from Penang. If you see the characterize, now selling at 3, buy 3 get 1 free, buy 5 get 2. More and more people coming already. You see all line up, okay, to open their durians to bring back home. So if you like to come to visit this store, just beside opposite CPF Building, at the Bishan, and just next to the Baker Talent. Alright, do come here, the shop, and you see the quality of the durians. Never try, never know. Don't just mark my words. Do come here. Everybody are buying. They're waiting a turn to cut open their durians. And don't worry, you can bring home using your rapid transit. They have a vacuum pack for you, no problem. You can bring back by using the MRT or buses or taxi, no problem, right? Oh, bo on ah? Huh? Live. This is a machine to pack the vacuum one, and you can bring home. Without the worried in an MRT or a bus or taxi. This I think machine just came in last year, end of last year. So they really reinvest, so then no worry if you're coming here to buy any durians from them. Every time top up, every time top up. So all very fresh one, don't worry. Do come and choose whatever durian you want. They got so many price, the price here from $12, all from 03. 03 most probably bittersweet. Sound very creamy. See, all yellow, all yellow, all yellow. 03. Okay, all from hilltop. You can see the seed. Never try, never know. Please do come here. Still so big. We turn the price already. Offer already. See, all lined up already. Yellow, big yellow, kan? Wow, all yellow, yes. 这个红虾10块。红虾，对，你买多一点，它有给。
好吃没？
好，
那个
甜的。
3万多可以。
毛山王，那老板毛山王。
哪一个？
可以。
See, now it's about 6:32 p.m. There are more and more people. You can see this store, very quality and very fresh. It's a daily top up, daily top up. If you come late, they will sold out. Yellow, yellow. 鸡薄薄的呀 ，very thin。
老板，老板，要。
金凤，哇 ，very good. Golden Phionex, Golden Phionex, yeah, Golden Phionex.
You advertise for them?
Yeah. I always advertise and share, so they can come in here and shop. Alright, I just get a info. This hilltop is come from Penang, Penang. If you like keen to have a Penang durian, this is the one. Alright, one packet is $28. Golden Phionex,
How is it good, You know.
Yeah.
You know,
it's a nice. It's very small seed. They're small seed.
I want small seed.
Yeah, durian is not big, they cannot be big one.
Oh, your Larry Run.
Larry Run, yes.
Wow,
Golden Phionex.
This is king.
Huang. And this one is king of the king. You see the texture colors also different. They are slightly lighter for the Golden Phionex. I think I will purchase this. I haven't tried this one before. the truck come already. This is the last one. It's the Durian form. Now the time, the last one is 7:09, 7:09 p.m. You can see the last truck coming, the Durian truck. 来了see. 这爷要2个，对借他了。其实2粒是我的嘛。
我先给他。
哎呀，不用紧啊。
你送给他是？送给他是？
不算了，
没有啊，我们 OK uncle, thank you 啊。
OK，
Alright. This one golden Phionex. If you like bitter, sweet, this is the one. The small seed lah. The texture you can see the colors, they are different shape with others. Yeah. 所以现在爬，这个哦，
干，好吃
啊，看了好吃哎。
哇
2 piece full of this. Wow. Okay, thank you 大哥。I pack here. Okay. So now I'm going to open and test how the golden Phionex tastes look like, and the textures, the seed, and the flesh. Now this actually I supposed to vacuum pack it, but I never mentioned. So what to do is it's too late. And this one is one box of this is comprised 2 durians. And just want to test it how it look like. But a lot of people say it's a bittersweet, small seed, and let's check it out. All right. So there's a lot of layers, because I'm travel by the rapid transit. So make sure there are no smell, otherwise I've been kicked out from the train. Right, give me a minute here. Now there are 3 layers. 1, 2. There's the last one. Whoa! See this? This is two durians and a lot of seed inside. Okay, now it's time for me to verdict. As I say the previous videos, I only eat one seulas, not the whole piece. So we test this one first. Small seed, they say. Wow, they are not as sweet, but they can feel the creamy, and the texture wise they are soft. Even they are dry outside, it's very nice. And you can see there's a lot of wrinkles here. This area, there's a wrinkle here. And this durian actually origin come from Johor. If you get from the other country, I don't know how the qualities and the taste look like, but I can tell you this one is quite worth it, because their offer, buy 2 get 1 free, but after the bargain we get 4 for $50. So I actually share with this one uncle, it's very generous. So we divide by 2 is about $25. You divide by another 2 piece that I buy is about $12.50. So it's quite worth it to buy a durian with friends, or either the people you never see before, or you don't know them, but after the conversation you get to know. So we can share. Share is caring, caring is sharing, right? You see the seed? Very small. It's very worth it. It's a bittersweet. Okay. Texture wise, it's very soft, very creamy, and you go inside your mouth, you get the aroma of durian. I think I get another one. I think the moderate one, and we test again. bittersweet, small seed. Alright, that's all my sharing today. If you like to go to this shop, just very near the Bishan, the bus terminal, just opposite the bus terminal, there will be the shop. This is the shop, the Durian shop. Opposite him again, that's what the CPF building, and beside will be the bakery. It's very easy, and you reach the bus terminal, you can smell from far already the durian. There's only one store there, so it can't be missed. Alright, that's all. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe Larry Run channel, share and like. Until we meet you again, always stay safe, eat well, sleep well, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.